Alright, so today what I'm going to try to do is do an evaluation between these two speakers right here from Soundcore. This is a Soundcore Motion Boom Plus. This has two radiators, one on this side, one on this side, two tweeters, two subwoofers. On the Boom 2 has two passive radiators, one on this side, one on this side, two tweeters, one subwoofer. As you can see, a little bit of a size difference, but I want to see just how much of a difference the audio is. So this is a Soundcore app. I'm going to play some audio. I'm going to go through the EQ settings. I'm going to start off in the signature setting first. So let me connect to the Motion Plus, right? The volume is about 25%. The audio is in signature. I have a little video preset unloaded. Alright, so let's go back to the Boom 2 switch. I would say the volume is about 25% here. The EQ set to preset and preset signature. Let's go back. Play. From initial impression, this sounds a little bit louder. This sounds a little bit bassier. All right, this is a little bit louder. I don't know if I have the percentages correct because it doesn't really give me the percentage value. So I'm going to try to get it to 50. This looks 50 to me. So let's go 50. All right, so 50. Sounds pretty good. Sounds bassy. Very clear. Let's go over here to this now. Switching sides. Volume. This looks about 50. I can't tell if it's 50 or not. Play. To be honest, they both sound amazing. This actually sounds pretty good, but this has a little bit more bass, a little bit more refined bass, a little bit more refined audio coming out of this. So let me go back over here now to the Motion Boom Plus, switching sides. But what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna use my customized EQ. So this is my customized EQ, right? Trying to make it the same for both of them. And now play. Customized EQ, play. You hear how loud and crisp that is with a customized EQ. Switching sides. EQ, customize. Looks about the same. Go back, play. So you could see, once you get into the customized settings, the volume looks about 50%, right? I can't really tell if it's 50 or not, but looks about 50. We could clearly tell the difference between this and that. So let's go out here, play. Let me go back to the Boom. The Boom Plus. Switching to Boom Plus. So now, we're over here now. Customizable EQ and volume at 50%. Let's see. Big difference. This sounds so much better. Don't get me wrong, this sounds good. This is gonna be more than enough for most people. Super loud, super punchy, good bass, good audio. But listen to this. Now, for the average person, this is way more than enough. But if you want to be the life of the party, you want to bring that noise, or want to bring that ruckus, I think you should grab this. So here, I'm going to try to go up to at least 75%, whatever that looks like. So this looks like about 75% here. Hit play. Ruckus, all right? Let's bring it over here. Let's try to get it to 75%. This looks 75%. As you can see, sounds good, sounds better. So again, if you're looking for great audio from Soundcore, you can either grab one of these two great portable speakers. This one would do more than enough justice for any event. With the light, is actually a great addition to whatever party situation. You could easily go into the app, you could hit lights, and you could change the light to whatever light color you want. You could go white, you could go blue, you could go yellow, whatever color you want, you could easily switch to just by using the app. But if you want to bring that noise, you grab this right here. This is a big boy soundboard. This is the Soundcore Motion Boom Plus. So again, great audio from Soundcore.